Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Math Teachers Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some questions, some examples of exercise 14. Okay, for my first example is 10 number. The difference between the sides at right angles. The difference between the sides at right angles in a right angled triangle is 14 centimeter and the area of the triangle is 120 square centimeter. Calculate the perimeter of the triangle. So students, we draw a diagram. A triangle ABC is right angle at B. Okay, so the difference between the sides at right angles, right angles से containing जो side है BC और AB. ओके, so ये दोनों sides के length का जो difference है वो 14 सेंटीमीटर है. So let कि the side BC is x centimeter, then the side AB is x minus 14 centimeter. Okay, so let the sides containing the right angles be x and x centimeter and x minus 14 centimeter. Okay, students, let the side containing the right angle से जो जुड़ा हुआ साइड है BC और AB में हम लोग right angles be x centimeter and x minus 14 centimeter. Okay, and the area of the triangle is 120 square centimeter. So area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 multiply base multiply height. So 1 by 2 multiply base equal to x and height equal to x minus 14. Okay, so but area of triangle equal to 120 square centimeter is given. So area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 14 equal to 120 square centimeter. Okay, 120. So x square minus 14x equal to 120 multiply 2. Okay, so this imply x square minus 14x or 120 multiplied 2 equal to 240. So minus 240 equal to 0. Okay, so students, this equation is the trinomial quadratic equation. Okay, so we factorize, we write the x square and 14x equal to minus 24x and plus 10x. Okay, 24x में 10x चला जाएगा minus 14x and plus 10x and plus minus 24 multiply 10 minus 240x square minus 240 equal to 0. Okay, so this imply x is common, x minus 24 and plus 10 is common, x minus 24 equal to 0. So I have two terms. So x minus 14 present in both terms, so x minus 24 is common. X minus 24 present in both terms, so x minus 24 is common, so rest is x plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, so I have two conditions. If x minus 24 equal to 0, so x equal to 24 and x plus 10 equal to 0, x equal to minus 10. This is impossible. x minus 10 is x equal to minus 10 is impossible because कि किसी भी लेंथ, किसी भी साइड का लेंथ जो है वो निगेटिव नहीं हो सकता है. For this is impossible. So side BC equal to x equal to 14 centimeter and the AB equal to x minus 14 equal to x equal to 14 x minus 14. So x equal to 24. Sorry, x equal to 24. So side BC equal to x equal to 24 centimeter and side AB equal to x minus 14 equal to 24 minus 14 equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so 10 centimeter. Now students, find AC by using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so in triangle ABC, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so AC square equal to AB square. तो AB equal to 10 centimeter, 10 का स्क्वायर और प्लस BC equal to 24 centimeter, 24 का स्क्वायर. So 100 and plus 576 equal to 676. So AC equal to root under 676 equal to 26 centimeter. Okay, because 26 multiply 20 26 centimeter. Okay, so AC equal to 26 centimeter. So the perimeter of triangle ABC equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, so AB equal to 10 centimeter plus BC equal to 24 centimeter and plus AC equal to 26 centimeter. Okay, 26 or 4, 30, 50 and 60 centimeter. Okay, 60 centimeter is the perimeter of this right angle triangle. Okay, students, our next question number 11 ki calculate the area of the shaded region. Shaded region is in the given figure ki A, B, D, C. This portion is the shaded region. Okay, in the shaded in the given figure. Okay, so look of students, area of the shaded region equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle BDC. Okay, so एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC में एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BDC को माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारा शैडेड रीजन क्या होगा, आ जाएगा. चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. ओके, सो लेट इन ट्रायंगल ABC let AB equal to A equal to 120 meter, BC equal to B equal to 22 meter and AC equal to C equal to 122 meter. Okay, so in triangle ABC, AB equal to A equal to 120 मीटर. इस साइड को हमने क्या माना, AB को A मान लिया है एंड BC को B माना है और AC को क्या मान लिया है, C मान लिया है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द सेमी पेरीमीटर F इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू A प्लस B प्लस C. ओके, सो for 1 by 2 into A 120 plus 22 plus 122 meter. Okay, so 1 by 2 multiply 264 meter. Okay, for 2 132 meter. Okay, so my semi perimeter is 132 meter. So area of triangle ABC equal to root under F into F minus A, F minus B and F minus C. Okay, so this imply root under F equal to 132 into 132 minus 120 into F minus B. So 132 minus B equal to 22 and 132 minus C equal to 122. Okay, so equal to 132 multiply 132 minus 120 equal to 12. 132 minus 22 equal to 110. 110 multiply 132 minus 122, so this is 10. Okay, so area of triangle ABC equal to root under 132. We find the prime factor 132. 2 6 is 12 and 2 6 is 12. 2 33, 3 11. Okay, 2 multiply 3 multiply 11. 2 multiply 3 multiply 11. Okay, and 12 4 multiply 3. Okay, and 110 11 multiply 10. 11 multiply 10. Okay, and multiply 10. So पेयर के बदले एक बाहर आता है स्टूडेंट्स 2 multiply 3 multiply 11 multiply 4 के बदले 2 multiply 10. Okay, 3 2 या 6, 6 2 या 3 2 या 6, 6 2 या 12 and 12 2 या 120 and 120 multiply 11. 120 multiply 11. 2 2 1 3 and 1 equal to 1320 square centimeter. Okay, and next find the area of triangle BCD. Okay, so in triangle BCD, let BD equal to A equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to B equal to 22 centimeter, and CD equal to C equal to 26 centimeter. Okay, so first of all we find the semi perimeter 1 by 2 into 24 plus 22 plus 26. 1 by 2 multiply 4 to 6 6 12 2 and 2 to 4 to 6 1 7 36. My semi perimeter is 36 centimeter. Okay, and the area of triangle BCD equal to root under F into F minus A, F minus B and F minus C. So this is root under S. F equal to 36. 36 into 36 minus A 24 and 36 minus B 22 and 36 minus C 26. Okay, so this imply 36 multiply 36 minus 24, 26 12, and 36 minus 22 14, multiply 36 minus 26 10. Okay, so this imply 36 6 multiply 6 multiply 12, 4 multiply 3 multiply 14, 14, 7 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 2, so 6 बाहर हो जाएगा, 4 के बदले 2 बाहर हो जाएगा, and 1 2 is also, and 3 7 5, and root under 105 equal to 24 root under 105. Okay, and this is the area of triangle BCD. Okay, and area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle BCD. Okay, so area of triangle ABC equal to 1000 equal to 1320 square meter minus area of triangle BCD equal to 24 root 105 meter square. Okay, so 1320 meter square minus 24 multiply root under 105, the square root of 105 equal to 10.25 approx. So 1320 meter square minus 24 1025 multiply 24 246 per double zero by 100 equal to 1320 meter square minus 246 meter square equal to 1320 minus 246 1074 meter square. Hence the area of the shaded region equal to 1074 meter square. Okay. Students, next question number 18 is the adjacent sides of a parallelogram. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 36 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Okay, 27 centimeter in length. If the distance between the shorter side, so shorter side of students, ABCD is a parallelogram in which property of the parallelogram के opposite sides are equal. Okay, so AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. So any side, any two sides are shorter. For AD and BC, two opposite sides are same equal length, equal to 27 centimeter. These both sides are the shorter sides, and AB equal to 36 centimeter. For AB and DC is the longer side of the parallelogram ABCD. Okay, so the distance between the shorter side is 12 centimeter. Shorter side is AD and BC. For the distance between the shorter side is 12 centimeter. Find the distance between the longer side. So the distance between the longer side is x centimeter. Let So longer side of a parallelogram equal to 36 centimeter. Okay, and the shorter sides of a parallelogram equal to 27 centimeter. The distance between the shorter side equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, so area of the parallelogram equal to, if base is AB, okay, if base is AB, then the height is CM. Okay, and if base is the shorter side BC, if the base is the shorter side BC and height is the CN. Okay, so area of the parallelogram equal to base multiply height. Base multiply height, the distance between the shorter side. If base equal to shorter side, if यदि बेस हमारा शॉर्टर साइड है तो हाइट क्या होगा, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द शॉर्टर साइड. ओके, सो बेस इक्वल टू शॉर्टर साइड इज 27 सेंटीमीटर, 27 सेंटीमीटर, देन हाइट इक्वल टू द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द शॉर्टर साइड, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द शॉर्टर साइड इक्वल टू 12 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो 27 सेंटीमीटर एंड 12 सेंटीमीटर equal to 27 multiply 12 centimeter square. Okay, and next, area of the parallelogram, if base equal to longer side, then the height is the distance between the longer side. So base multiply height, so base equal to longer side, base equal to longer side, and height equal to the distance between the longer side. Okay, so base equal to 36 centimeter multiply height equal to x centimeter. Let x centimeter. So 36 multiply x centimeter. This is the area of the parallelogram ABCD, and this is also the area of the parallelogram ABCD. So both are equal. So now 36 multiply x equal to 27 multiply 12 centimeter square. Okay, so x equal to 27 multiply 12 divided by 36. 12 3 is 36 and 3 9 is 27. Equal to 9 centimeter. Hence the distance between the longer sides of a parallelogram ABCD equal to 9 centimeter. Okay.